Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Sag, una mensahe ninyo for today ay number 59, reconciliations. Ayan. So, Sag, maaaring meron mga pagbabate na dito na mangyayari for some of you. Meron na ditong mga pagkakaayos kung meron man kayong mga disagreement with other people, meron mang away, merong hindi pagkakaintindihan, you're not on the same page. This is a time, no, na magre-reconcile na kayo. This is a time na magkakaayos na rin kayo. Okay? So that's really good. What else? We have number 55. This is synchronicity, Sag. No, this is double 5. I suggest you please look up for the meaning of number 55 for more guidance. Okay? Dito, you are being, you're being invited dito to take a bold step forward. Okay? Dito, di ba, magre-reconcile kayo. So, definitely, you're moving on with your life, you're moving forward with your life. Meron mga opportunity ditong kakatok sa inyo that will require you to come out of your comfort zone at invited kayo dito to take a bold step forward. Be bold, okay? Be courageous, be brave, okay? What else? Kasi ito this is going to this is going to bring you to something na doon kayo mag-grow, doon kayo magta-thrive, doon kayo mag-evolve into a different version of you, no? The best of you. Papalabasin dito kung ano yung best para sa'yo. This is another synchronicity. We have angel number 555. No? We have angel number 55 at saka 555. Okay, Sag? So this is a time also for completion. This is a time for accomplishments, for achievements sa buhay ninyo, Sagittarius. So napakaganda kasi matatapos na dito kung ano man ang mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, projects, trabaho, pag-aaral. You know, there is something that you're going to to accomplish dito, so which is really good. What else? We have number 57. Ayan, revelation and mark trail. You will be shown the way, Sagittarius. You are blessed kasi you will be shown the way. Diba? Papunta kayo dito sa pag-move on sa buhay ninyo and you are guided, no, ng divine universe dito. The path towards that, kung saan kayo dapat pumunta, will be revealed to you. Kaya napakahalaga na makikinig kayo sa inyong intuition. Follow and listen, no, to listen and follow what your intuition is telling you, because that will be your guidance, no, kung saan kayo dapat mapunta. Number 53, curiosity. Ayan. So, there is something dito that you really want to know, you really want to discover. Kaya maaring related dito, no, sa bold step forward energy. Maaring related yan sa opportunity na yan. Maaring parte yan, ng revelation energy, no, na mako-curious kayo sa kung saan kayo dapat papunta, no? Maybe you're going to do your research, maaring magtatanong-tanong kayo, pag-aaralan ninyo, mag-aaral kayo about that, no? So depende sa inyong strategy, no? But you are going to be curious kung saan kayo papunta. Moving out of stagnation, this is beautiful. Beautiful. You are up for progress. You are up for growth. You are up for movement. So, napakaganda, Sagittarius. Kasi, maaalis na kayo doon sa sitwasyon na talagang nag-stagnate kayo, nandun kayo sa hibernation period. Wala na. Papunta na kayo sa pag-progress. Papunta na kayo sa paggalaw. Papunta na kayo sa pag-asenso. No? So, good luck to that. We have number 26, the power of community. Napakaganda kasi kung ano man ang gagawin ninyo rito or ano man ang mga ginagawa ninyo, you have that support, no, of your community. You have that support ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, no? Ano man ang kailangan ninyo, ano man ang whether physical help or emotional help, support ang kailangan ninyo, nandiyan sila. Lagi kang makakaasa ng tulong from them. You can always ask for help from them. So you have that very supportive community around you. So what else? You have number 38, authentic self. Napakaganda, no? Revelation din ito, Sagittarius, no? Revelation din ito para sa maraming tao na you are going to display sa ngayon kung sino kayo, kung ano kayo, ano mga kakayanan ninyo. Ngayon, ilalabas nyo na yan, ipapakita nyo na yan. What you see is what you get na ngayon ang peg ninyo, Sagittarius. So you are also going to reveal, no? To the world kung sino kayo, kung ano ang totoo ninyong pagkatao, anong kakayanan ninyo. Diba? This is your authentic self that you are also going to reveal to the world, which is really good. Kasi wala na kayong itatago, wala nang pagpe-pretend, diba? This is you. Kung ano kayo, kung sino kayo, ipapakita nyo na yan. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.